So you finished setting up your Typhon wallet, and now you want to stake with one or multiple stake pools? Let's take a look at how together. Welcome back to Woodland Pools. Today, let's take a look at how we can use Typhon Wallet to delegate to one or multiple stake pools. Let's jump in. Okay, so now that our Typhon wallet is fully set up, let's come over here and click on staking. We are currently not staked with any pool, so let's click on Start to stake with a stake pool. Now, there's obviously a lot of different pools to choose from. If you haven't decided yet which stake pool you want to delegate to, check out our video on finding the right stake pool for you. But assuming you know the pool you want to delegate to, go ahead and type in their ticker here and let's search for it. We're going to search for our pool, the ASPEN stake pool. And here it is, ASPEN pool by Woodland Pools. So we're going to go ahead and click on Select. Cool, and I love that they add this detail. First-time delegation requires your staking account registration with 2 ADA deposit on the blockchain. This deposit will be refunded to your wallet when you decide to deregister this delegation account. So here we go. This is our deposit of 2 ADA and the fees that we're going to pay. So let's go ahead and click on confirm. If you're using a software wallet, enter your spending password. If you have a hardware wallet, confirm on the device and click confirm. Cool, and transaction had been submitted. We are now delegated to the ASPEN stake pool. Great, so let's go ahead and close this. Our delegation has been submitted to the Cardano blockchain, and we are now just waiting for the network to process it. So let's give this a minute to finish up, and then we'll go from there. If it's been a few minutes and that spinner is still going, you can come to home and click on refresh and force it to manually get the latest from the blockchain, and we'll see now here that we have successfully delegated to the ASPEN stake pool by Woodland Pools. Okay, so now we've delegated to our first stake pool. Let's see how we can use the multi-account feature to delegate to multiple stake pools. So currently our full balance is delegated to ASPEN because we only have one account in this wallet. So let's go ahead and click up here where it has our balance and it says account number 1, and go ahead and click on account number 2. Now we see that account number 2 has nothing in it, and it's also not staked to any pool. So what we can do here is, let's copy the address for account number 2. Let's come back to account number 1. And then here we're going to go ahead and send over the amount of funds to our second account that we want to use to delegate to our next pool. So our wallet has about 76 ADA in it. So let's go ahead and send half to our second account. We'll send about 38 ADA. Click on send. Here we have the amount and the fees. Confirm the transaction either with your spending password or physically on your hardware wallet. Cool. So our transaction of our 38 ADA from account 1 to account 2 has been successfully submitted. So let's go ahead and close this, and we can switch over to account number 2. And this is actually really cool. We can see here that in account number 2, the balance is immediately reflected, even though it's only pending on the blockchain. The reason for this is one of the coolest features of Typhon Wallet, which is the instant transactions or transaction chaining feature that it has. So if we go ahead and refresh here, we see that the transaction went from pending to confirmed. It is now sitting in our balance. And so now we'll do the same thing. We'll come to staking. We'll click on Start to select a pool. And for our second pool, we want to go ahead and support the Typhon Wallet team. If you didn't know, this is the same team that runs Cardano Scan. So let's go ahead and search for Cardano Scan. And here are the 2 pools that the Typhon Wallet has. So let's go ahead and select Cardano Scan Pool 1. Here we have our deposit similar as last time. Click on Confirm, enter your spending password, and the transaction to pool Cardano Scan 1 has been submitted. So let's click on Close. If we come home here, once again, we can immediately already see our pending transaction to register our wallet and delegate to the Cardano Scan pool. Let's click on refresh here. Cool, looks like it's been confirmed, and if we come to staking, we can see that our account number 2 is delegated to the Cardano Scan pool. Awesome, so congratulations. We have now been able to successfully delegate to the ASPEN pool using account number 1 and to the Cardano Scan pool using account number 2. So now that you're fully set up and delegated to your preferred stake pools, it's time to level up. Let's take a look together at the 5 power features that really make the Typhon wallet shine. Let us know your favorite parts about Typhon so far, and if nothing else, we'll see you in the next video.